Alright, welcome back to a new video, and today I want to show you guys how to make this money bag icon. It's a very nice looking icon, and this can help you with your games. If you're making a game, you need some cool currency icons for any purpose. Icons are really going to help and benefit your game. So yeah, let's get right into it. Although, if you guys want to show some support, head over to gfxcomment.com. These videos take effort, so any support is highly appreciated. We got lots of stuff here for you to choose from. This will just allow me to keep making videos. Alright, let's make a new layer. We're going to start with our pencil. Shape, fill, and stroke will be off. We're just going to start right here approximately, and we're just going to go ahead and follow the shape of the bag right here, and we're just gonna go across, and this will pretty much complete shape. Obviously you can take your time and make this a bit nicer, but just select a color, new layer, back to our pencil. We're gonna go ahead and create this top part. Like so. We're gonna go across, and there we go. So this is gonna go right here. Let's change the color once again, and I'm pretty sure we could just duplicate these, and Control T, you can resize very easily. These will go behind. I'm just gonna change the color so there is some differentiation. Right here, you just want to Control T, right click, and flip horizontal. And place this over on the other side. Just like this. New layer, we're going to take our pencil, and we're going to do this part. Let me think. Let's turn off fill, actually. Let's go to stroke, make it white, and we're going to go across. Let's go around here, and we go down like this. We're going to increase the size to like 45. And as you can see, we have this very nice shape. New layer, same thing. Go up, turn, and then we go back here. Okay, size 45. Take this and place it over here. That's fine. Let's go ahead, select both, stroke, change the color. There we go. All right. That is looking pretty good. Alright, now for some shading. Let's do the actual bag portion, if you will. Make a new layer, right click, create clipping mask, take your brush tool. The settings are up here. So use the color black, and we're gonna paint. We're gonna paint on the bottom for the shadows. Like so, and a little bit on top. It's kind of like this. We go mode, soft light, new layer. You can also hold Alt, go right in between right here, and if you click, this will automatically clip. Brush tool, we're gonna use the color white this time. It's gonna brighten the center-ish area. Let's go for mode, soft light, new layer once again, and this will be our last touch. Just right here. Perhaps mode overlay. Alright, looks pretty good. Actually, I'm going to enlarge this little area slightly. Right, now for the top parts, same process, new layer, clip. Just try to follow this kind of shading, overlay, and we're gonna do the same thing for the layer clip. Shadow kind of goes here, overlay, and 75% opacity. Go ahead and just copy this over for this one. And this tied area, the string rope, or whatever you're gonna call it, we're gonna do some shading here. Very simple. And for this part as well, I'm gonna place this behind this one. And there you guys pretty much have it. You can add a $sign, text, just obviously change the color, place this right here. It's a little bit too bold. Alright. And obviously we can add some shading to accommodate this gradient here. Like so. And group everything up. And there you guys have it. If this video helps you guys, make sure you leave a like. More stuff is going to be coming soon. So everything from icons, logos, UI, GFX, and more various types of content. So I appreciate all of your support. Make sure to check out our store. All the links are down below. And yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Take care.